Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. Wi-Fi calling has a lot of benefits. It allows you to call or text from any location with a Wi-Fi connection. So this can be a major benefit, especially if you are in an area that a cellular network doesn't reach. Now to enable your Wi-Fi calling, so go to your phone settings. Then here on settings, tap on these connections. Then from here, tap on Wi-Fi calling. As you can see, it says make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. So I have two SIM card right here, the SIM 1 and SIM 2. So you just enable this to SIM card right here. And then here on calling preferences, you can change it to Wi-Fi preferred, same as on the SIM 2. So with that settings, it will now enable and you can now use Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.